With Gelmar's more than 80 years of experience, you are guaranteed to be dealing with a company that has an established reputation. Gelmar has friendly, helpful staff members that can offer advice on every item, always giving their best. Their wide variety of categories range from bedroom, bathroom and kitchen, right through to hinges, sinks, tools, casters and everything in between. The products are sourced both locally and internationally. With customers in mind, they also offer click and collect and delivery services, which are available when purchasing from the Gelmar online store, so that you do not have to wait in any queues. Home renovations can be costly, but Gelmar actively drives their prices down to give you the best value for money. They've also introduced their own competitive product range, keeping the costs low and yet maintaining the highest standards of quality. Gelmar Home Store. The product list is endless.